Welcome to IA. Potential energy of a field magnet system. That means if a magnet is placed within a magnetic field, then how much the potential energy will be stored in it, that we are going to find out today. So let us consider this is the directions of the uniform magnetic field. A magnet just like this placed here. This is the north pole of the magnet and this is the south pole of the magnet. We know that the force acting on it is mb along the directions of the magnetic field, and the force acting on the south pole is also mb in the direction opposite to that of the magnetic field. If small m is the pole strength, this is the midpoint and we can say it is the magnetic length. So this magnet will feel a clockwise torque and try to align itself in the direction of the magnetic field. And what is this torque? This torque is equal to small m cross b vector, or you can say tau equal to m b sin theta, the scalar expression. So I can simply replace this magnet by its magnetic moment, and this is the direction of the magnetic field. Let us say at any instant it makes an angle theta. So it try to align this itself, so the torque acting on it in the clockwise direction. If I try to hold it in that particular point, then I have to apply the counter clockwise torque or the anti-clockwise torque. Not only that, if I try to rotate by an infinitesimally small angle d theta, then we have to do work. And in rotating this magnetic moment, that is this bar magnet, in the direction opposite to its intention, we have to do the work done, and that work done is dw equal to tau into d theta. That means m b sin theta d theta. Now if we just consider that the magnetic moment is initially makes an angle theta 1 with b. After that I want to make it in that position such that it makes an angle theta 2 with the direction of the magnetic field. So the work done in doing this will be theta 1 to theta 2 m b sin theta d theta. mb is completely independent of theta, so it can be taken outside the integral, and if you do the integration on sin theta, that will be minus cos theta theta 2 to theta 1. So it becomes m b, after that m b, after that your cos theta 2, that is minus cos theta 2 plus cos theta 1. Okay, so this thing becomes small m into b. Here this small m should be the capital M. Okay, it is not the pole strength, it is the magnetic moment, because the relation between the magnetic moment and the pole strength is this. This is the magnetic moment and this is the pole strength. So it is not the magnetic pole strength, it is the magnetic moment. So it is mb cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2. So if I consider the magnet is initially at theta 1 equal to 90 degree, and if I want to align itself in any orientation by making an angle theta with the magnetic field, that is, it is initially at that position, this is the magnetic field, direction of magnetic field, and this is the magnetic moment. So the angle between them is initially 90 degree. Now if I want to align itself in the direction with the direction of the magnetic field is theta in such a place, then if I just put it here, then W, this W, that is the work done which is stored within it as a potential energy. Okay, so I can write down this is the potential energy. So W, or the work done or the potential energy stored within this magnet is capital M, capital B, cos 90 degree minus cos theta. Cos 90 degree is 0. So it becomes minus capital MB cos theta. So minus of M vector dot B vector. So this is the expressions of the potential energy of a field magnet system. Now if I try to align itself such that this theta is 0 degree. Initially it is perpendicular to that of the magnetic field. I want to align itself in the direction of the magnetic field. Then the potential energy or the work done required for this is will be minus of MB cos 0 degree equal to minus of MB. And if I say theta equal to 90 degree, then the expression will be minus of MB into cos 90 degree. Cos 90 degree is 0, so this expression will be a 0. If theta equal to 180 degree, then U is equal to minus of MB into cos 180 degree. Cos 180 degree is minus 1, so it is plus MB. So we can say here the potential energy is minimum when it is aligned in the direction of the magnetic field, and here the potential energy is maximum when it is aligned in the direction opposite to that of the magnetic field, so that it have the intention to align itself in the direction of the magnetic field. So we can say here the potential energy is maximum. So I am just trying to draw this. If the magnetic moment is in the direction of the magnetic field, potential energy is minimum. If the magnetic moment is in the direction opposite to that of the magnetic field, then the potential energy is maximum, such that it can align itself, such that it is in the direction, it can align itself in the direction of the magnetic field. So with respect to this, it is the potential energy is required. If I consider this is a differential, it is 0. If it is here, then the potential energy we can say at reference level is 0. Here the potential energy required, that is the 2 MB with respect to this. If it minus MB to MB, that means 2 MB energy is required, and when it is at 90 degree, the energy required to rotate it will require MB only. Okay. So this is the potential energy of a field magnet system. Thank you.